Welcome to Excel Learning Game Card Business Excellence Training Academy. Today we are going to learn about how to make a roundup and round down and then their differences. So first we will calculate the current pay. What is the formula for current pay? Is normal formula, that is equal to old pay plus old pay into the percentage increment percentage, and then give enter. So now you can see this payment as received. We can drag down. Next, we can go to round. Round is nothing but something like 10.5 will round to 11. 10.4 will round to 10. We all know that. Here we are using the round function for rounding the data. So for that, put equal to round, 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 put a bracket. You can see the parameter. First, it asks to select the number. This is current pay is our number. And then the second parameter is called number digits. How many digits you want after decimal? For example, if you don't want any decimal, decimal, then you put 0. Okay. If you want two decimal, you put 2. Okay. Now I am putting that only 0. So you can see here. Now you got this. Then you can drag down. Similarly, this is round. It's a normal round. I am telling that 10.5 will round to 11. Similarly, 10.4 will round to 10. But in roundup, 10.4 also round to 11. If something after a decimal like 10.1, 10.2, whatever it is, it will round up to 11 only. Okay. So for that same formula, same function, that is round up, open bracket, select the number, comma, put a 0 for the number of digits. Press enter, give enter, and then you can drag down. Can you see the difference? See, it is 13, but it is a 14. So that is a difference. Okay. So similarly, we can do for the round down. Round down is something like 10.9 also will round down to the, and if you want to satisfy your customer, so that time you can use the round down. But round up is always used for the all statutory purposes like GST, and then income tax, whatever you pay as a statutory, then you can use the round up. Round down is only for our own customer purpose. Then you can use you can be round down, open bracket, number, comma, number of digits you put 0, and then close the bracket and give enter. Then drag down. So you can see here. Can you see this? It's all round down to. Actually, here it is round up only. This is round up. But when you see this, it is round down. You can see this. It is a round down. So now you have learned about what is round, what is a round up, round down, and their differences. Hope this video will be useful. Next video I will be putting about M round, floor, and ceiling. Okay. So hope this is useful. I'm Kumaravel Kadai.